The Information Society Department of the Council of Europe in fact covers three major elements. One is media freedom and freedom of expression in general, everything covered under Article 10 of the European Convention of Human Rights. That includes also safety of journalism and, more importantly, all the developments through internet. The internet governance strategy of the Council of Europe is covered by this. Second area of work is everything to do with data protection, and a third area is cybercrime. Now these three things are very much interlinked. When we speak about freedom of expression today in Europe, we see that there is a declining situation and that our steering committee, but also the studies that we do, respond to this. The steering committee has developed a number of recommendations. They concern media freedom in general, including also everything to do with the financing and independence of public service media, the independence and also the question of pluralism of public media and private media in our societies, and certainly also the new developments that we see through the emergence, and more than emergence, of internet offers which are based on traditional media, but also goes much beyond that. In that, we see that today, in today's society, media is constantly under threat. Under threat because of the technological developments, under threat also because of the way governments, but also individuals, deal with the media. And we have to find responses to that. We look at quality media, quality journalism. We look at how disinformation in society is propagated and how we need to respond to that. And that is crucial in order to keep the trust in media today. We have to ensure that our societies are properly educated in order to confront and affront the ways that media is managed in our today's world. The second area, of course, is data protection. And data protection, we have had a major achievement. In fact, now this month, these days, the Data Protection Convention, which was already in place for more than 30 years, has been modernized. And that is crucial because data protection is an essential element in the way individuals can keep their beliefs and trust in public media today. Now, data protection, we are more and more confronted with a mass collection of these data. The big data and the exploitation of these big data is something that is quite worrisome and that we need to be able to find responses to. That also concerns data and police, that also concerns data and health, and guidelines that we can provide in order to ensure that human rights are fully respected also when it comes to the collection of data, whether that be through state authorities or whether that be through private entities. We have to ensure that this happens properly. The third area is cybercrime. And in cybercrime, maybe something important to mention, that both data protection and cybercrime are global issues. We are working as Council of Europe in a global manner. Right now, the Cybercrime Convention has over 57 parties, and the important element there is that data and evidence which is in the cloud and which transcends national authorities has to be able to be accessed when it comes to criminal justice issues. Therefore, the cooperation at international level is crucial. The Council of Europe has set up a special program office in Bucharest in order to deal with these issues and spread the work of the Cybercrime Convention worldwide. We are also currently reviewing the Cybercrime Convention and adding an additional protocol to it in order to ensure that the electronic evidence can better be accessed through criminal justice authorities worldwide which have agreed to apply the Cybercrime Convention. And that is an important element that will secure our citizens' data and protection more widely.